Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a One4All gift card in store in Canada. The One4All gift card is a popular gift card that can be used at various retailers across Canada. To start, make sure you have a valid One4All gift card with a sufficient balance to make a purchase. First, locate a participating retailer that accepts One4All gift cards. You can find a list of participating retailers on the One4All website or by contacting their customer service. Once you have found a retailer, proceed to the checkout counter with the items you wish to purchase. Next, inform the cashier that you would like to use a One4All gift card as payment. They will then ask you to swipe the card or enter the card details manually. If you have a physical gift card, the cashier will swipe the card. If you have a digital gift card, you will need to provide the card number and PIN. After the cashier has processed the payment, they will let you know if the transaction is approved or declined. If the transaction is approved, the amount will be deducted from your gift card balance and you will receive any change due to you in the form of cash or store credit. It is also important to note that some retailers may have specific policies or restrictions on using One4All gift cards, such as minimum purchase requirements or exclusions on certain products. Be sure to check with the retailer before making a purchase to avoid any issues. To check your gift card balance, you can visit the One4All website or contact their customer service. It is a good idea to keep track of your balance to avoid any declined transactions. In addition, it is recommended to treat your One4All gift card like cash and keep it in a safe place to avoid loss or theft. If your gift card is lost or stolen, you should contact One4All customer service immediately to report the incident and request a replacement card. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your One4All gift card in store in Canada and enjoy the flexibility and convenience it provides. Remember to always check your balance and be aware of any retailer restrictions before making a purchase.